Any picture, no explanation, Instagram chase story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you'll have to go to your Instagram, of course, and then from there click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Once you are on my Instagram account, you have to go to may add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you'll have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to may add yours at highlights, you will definitely find it. So click on that, then tap until you find a desired sticker. You can also check my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose any picture with no explanation. I will go with this picture right here. Now you can click on the Your Story button from the left bottom corner to post your video, to share it with your friends. So now, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, but this time you will have to go to Super Viral at Highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and you will find a YouTube tutorial which will definitely help you. It has only 2 minutes, it's super easy to follow. So make sure to check that if you have problems by clicking on the Add Yours button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.